With its unique low-profile design and advanced features, the wall-mount garage door opener attaches alongside the garage door to save space overhead and unleash the possibilities for your garage. The included automatic garage door lock deadbolts the garage every time it closes for complete security that you can hear. For peace and quiet, the direct drive system is virtually silent and vibration-free for rooms near the garage. Battery backup gives you peace of mind that you can always get in and out of the garage, even during a power outage. The wall-mount garage door opener comes with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity powered by MyQ technology. Simply use the MyQ app to monitor and control your garage door from anywhere with your smartphone. A tap is all it takes to close your garage door, and an instant alert confirms that your door is actually closed. Ensure that every exit and entry is safe and well lit with the MyQ remote LED light. Give your family more ways to access the garage with convenient accessories right in the box. Free up space and unleash the possibilities with the wall-mount garage door opener.